Hi ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Gali Unita Pisanya. Male, 38 years old, 9 years married. Lady Catherine Sebastian Pisanya, 40 years old. I have one child, 9 years old, Helena Caitlin Sebastian Pisanya. My work experience, 2014 to 2016, service crew, McDonald's, Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. 2017 to 2020, delivery driver, same company, McDonald's, Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. 2022 to 2024, household worker, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I know care a dog, I know gardener, I know driver, I know cooking. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I do my best to serve in your family. Thank you very much.